Can psoriasis be cured? This skin disease affects many more people than we may think it does, both men and women. Although doctors have told us that it has no cure, there are many factors that can help us to control it in a natural way. Find out how your diet and a few home remedies can influence the treatment of this condition. What is psoriasis? Can psoriasis be cured? It is a skin disease that causes a flaking and inflammation of the skin, which looks red and scaly in certain areas of the body. Those that suffer from psoriasis experience a premature cell renewal of the skin, principally in the elbows, the knees, the scalp, the face or the bottom on the feet, although it can occur in any other area as well. Psoriasis is very common, both in men and women, and usually appears between 15 years and 35 years old. This illness is related to a disorder in the immune system, but there are many factors which can influence the status of this disease, such as stress, climate and diet. In this article we will review all the factors that we can change in order to improve or even cure psoriasis in a natural way. A personalized diet. Each body functions in a different way, and not all diets work the same for every person. If we have psoriasis, it is possible that we have a food intolerance that we don't even know about. The most common intolerances are gluten and lactose, but we recommend that you pay attention to how any change in your diet affects you, whether you are adding or eliminating different foods. Clean the skin from the inside. Since this infirmity directly affects the skin cells, a complete natural treatment should start with a cleanse of all the internal organs that can help facilitate a detoxing of the body. If the liver, kidneys and intestine are activated, the skin will be less overloaded and can begin to function in a balanced way. To achieve this, we suggest that you include in your normal diet detox juices and smoothies. Mud baths. One of the most ancient and effective remedies for the skin is mud or clay, both for health and beauty. You can apply clay poultices locally, that is in the areas that are most affected, even in times of outbreaks. To avoid drying out the skin too much, instead of mixing the clay with water you can mix it with yogurt, and in this way you will improve the hydration of the area. To prepare the poultice you should not use any utensils or bowls which are made of plastic or metal, but instead use those made of wood or glass. You will apply the poultice for 2 or 3 minutes, and then rinse with water. You can use these poultices once a week, or even in times of crisis, once every 2 days. Licorice baths and infusions. Licorice is also known as the natural cortisone. This action is due to some of the components of licorice which block the disintegration of cortisone from the body and prolong its effect. And in addition to extending the life of the cortisone in our body, licorice also contains anti-inflammatory compounds, for which it is an excellent remedy for all types of inflammation, and especially for psoriasis. To benefit from this property, we can prepare baths or infusions of licorice or simply eat it regularly. You should keep in mind that licorice slightly raises blood pressure, so people with hypertension should not consume it without first consulting with their doctor. Carrot mask. Another remedy to soothe outbreaks of psoriasis is a preparation of carrot mask, which can be applied directly to the skin for 2 minutes. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, thereby it is an indispensable food for the skin. You can alternate this with the clay or mud baths. sun and see many people with psoriasis have noted that in the summertime the health of their skin improves a great deal, and even more so if they go to the beach. For this reason, it is important to try and maintain these habits throughout the year by exposing your skin to the sun each day for brief periods of time during the hours of less radiation risk. As for the beach, if it is not possible to go often, you can buy seawater or bottle some at the beach and then apply it directly to the skin using a spray bottle. Images courtesy of a simulator, Chakta White Chayats Rum. Previous 3 infusions to clean the colon and intestines. Resentless weight by eating bread.